Okay, these are actually some problems from the quiz that I'm seeing missed so far the most. Let's look at this first one. So I know that I need to do what's inside parentheses brackets first. Well, this is 7 plus -4, which is the same thing as 7 minus 4. So that would be 3. There's not really anything to do here, but a plus and a negative is going to be a minus 15. And now I'm pretty home free. 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 15. When the signs are different, remember that you subtract. So 15 minus 5. And then you keep the sign of the larger value. So it would be -10. All right, so here, once again, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please do your parentheses first. Leave that negative on the outside. 10 minus 6 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. I had to think a minute there. And so this is -4 minus 4. When the signs are the same, you add and you keep the sign. So -8. These over here are just pure definition. All of these are real numbers. Okay, so that's a real number and that's a real number. But what we look at is the decimal. When it has a decimal, is the decimal repeating or not? Okay, so when you see this line right here, this means if I continued with these values, they would be 657, 657, 657. So in other words, we can see what's happening here is that they are repeating, okay, like you see in these examples here, and thus this would be a rational. This one now, it might appear this 7 4 7 4 4 7 4, but that's not, nothing's repeating here. So this would be an irrational. Don't forget, you get 3 tries. Take them, and the highest grade will be what I take.